NameError, global name Xrange, is not defined in Python 3. I am getting an error when running a Python program. The game is from here. What causes this error?
You are trying to run a Python 2 codebase with Python 3. Xrange was renamed to Range in Python 3. Run the game with Python 2 instead. Don't try to port it unless you know what you are doing. Most likely there will be more problems beyond Xrange versus Range. For the record, what you are seeing is not a syntax error but a runtime exception instead. If you do know what you are doing and are actively making a Python 2 codebase compatible with Python 3, you can bridge the code by adding the global name to your module as an alias for Range. Take into account that you may have to update any existing range used in the Python 2 codebase with list range ... to ensure you still get a list object in Python 3. Or replace all uses of Xrange ... with range ... in the codebase and then use a different shim to make the Python 3 syntax compatible with Python 2. The latter is preferable for codebases that want to aim to be Python 3 compatible only in the long run. It is easier to then just use Python 3 syntax whenever possible.
Add Xrange equals range in your code. Smiley face, it works to me.
Replace Python 2's range to Python 3 range. Rest all same.
I solved the issue by adding this import. More info.